When you were driving down Las Vegas Boulevard, were you headed toward, driving north towards the stratosphere, I guess, as a marker?
Yeah, I was headed north, yes.
And while you were driving north on Las Vegas Boulevard, did you see anybody that you had met earlier?
Yeah, I was stopped at a light, and a car rolled up. Well, really, the wheels really caught my attention, and then I looked up and I saw it was Tupac and Suge sitting in the car.
Well, did you try to interact with Mr. Shakur or Mr. Knight?
With Tupac, I did.
Okay. And what happened? Can you tell us about that?
Yeah, I said, hey, what up, Pop? And then he kind of looked and kind of took like a double take. He said, oh, what up, man? And then I said, hey, where you guys headed? He said, we're headed to the club. You should follow us. I said, all right, cool. And then, I don't know, I said, man, let me get a picture real quick. And I had my camera in my center console, so I just grabbed my camera and snapped the picture.
So this was before iPhone, so you actually had a physical camera with you?
Yeah, I had a 35 millimeter camera.
I'm going to show you what's been previously admitted as State's Exhibit Number 3. Do you recognize what's being shown to you?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
That's the picture that I took.
Now, after taking this picture, so you took this picture at a red light.
Yes, sir.
And I'm assuming the light turns green at some point.
Yes, it does.
What do you do?
After I took the picture, the light changed green, and they took off, and I recognized like one or two of the cars that were behind them from seeing them from LA. So I let them go by, and then they got in front of me, and then I got 3 cars behind them, behind the BMW, and then we're just driving down Las Vegas Boulevard.
At some point, do you make a right turn?
Yes.
Can you tell us about that?
Yeah. So we, I don't guess the street is. I remember the Flamingo. We get to Flamingo, and as we're making the right turn, I get on the phone. I was calling California Pizza Kitchen to cancel my food order.
Because you're heading to the club, right? You don't need a CPK anymore.
Yeah, I don't need CPK. So while I was on the phone with him like 30 seconds or so, and then all of a sudden I just hear pop, 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 and I kind of like, like looking around, and then I see the cars were stopped, and I see the people in front that were in the cars. They got out of the car and ran to the front. They ran to the BMW.
So you hear gunshots.
Yes.
But you don't. Do you see where the gunshots are coming from?
I did not know.
And do you see who's doing the shooting?
I did not know.
You just hear the gunshots.
I just hear them. Yes.
And then when you are looking up, after it looks like you were kind of ducking down a little bit.
Yeah, because I didn't know where they were coming from.
After you look up, you see people from the other parts of the caravan get out of their vehicles.
Yes, sir.
And which vehicle are they going towards?
They went towards the BMW.
And then what happens after the people start going towards the BMW?
When they started running there, all of a sudden I see the BMW make a big wide U-turn going back towards Las Vegas Boulevard.
And the BMW, I don't know that we've established this yet. The BMW, is that the car that Suge was driving that Tupac was in?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Suge or Mr. Knight makes a wide U-turn.
Yes.
And then what happens after that?
The people, they run back to their cars, and actually one of the guys, I didn't know who he was. He tried to get in my car, and I didn't know dude, so I guess he realized he was getting in the wrong car or whatever. I don't know what it was. So I got caught up in the little situation. I made a big wide U-turn as well. Now I made the U-turn. I catch up to, I'm behind the Lexus. It was a green Lexus. So I'm behind him, and then we see Suge make the wide left turn back onto the strip, and he went up on the curb and came back down, and then we all went through the intersection. It was traffic coming through, and we just all made it through. And then we got to, Harmon. We got back to Harmon, and Suge makes another left turn, and now it's like cross traffic. He couldn't get through. And by this time, now we see the bicycle cops. There's a bicycle cop rolls up, and Suge is kind of like, stop here. This is Las Vegas. This is the street he turns on. So he's just stopped. And then the cop drops his bike, and I started to get out, and then I got back in once I saw the cops with him. And then what happened?
So, okay, so you're in the middle of Harmon in Las Vegas?
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Knight's car has just stopped at this point.
Yes.
And you stop as well.
Yes.
Are there any other cars that stop along with Mr. Knight's car?
Yeah, I'm stopped behind the green Lexus.
Okay, so
I'm literally right behind him in the turning lane.
So there's the BMW that Mr. Knight's driving.
Yes.
You have a green Lexus, and you have white Suburban that you're aware of. And then you said you were going to get out of your car. You see bike cops, and then you decide to stay in your car.
Got back in. Yes.
What do you see as you're inside your car? Do you look at the BMW at all?
I look at it, and then I see, like I said, the bicycle cop rolled up, and then he drops his bike, and then I see Suge getting out the car, and now the officer is yelling commands to him, get down, lay down, and you hear Suge saying, my man, pocket shot, we need help, pocket shot. And then the cops, I kind of blanked out. I didn't really hear what he said. And then the cop, for whatever, walked over there to Suge. Suge got up, and they walked over to the passenger side of the car.
Okay, and so initially, is it fair to say there's one bike cop, or are there multiple bike cops immediately?
Well, I saw one, but then others came.
Okay, so
one immediately. I saw one immediately.
Okay, so the one immediately shows up, and then other bike cops show up afterwards.
Yes,
okay.
sir.
And then the one bike cop, he's the one that's talking to Mr. Knight, and then at some point do they go over to the passenger side and deal with Mr. Shakur?
Yes.
Can you tell us about that?
Well, at that time, when that occurred, a police officer rolled up in a vehicle. He ran up and pulled a gun on me and ordered me out of the car. He opened my door and then threw me down, snatched me out of the car and threw me down on the ground. Now I'm like prone down on the ground. I'm in the direction I'm facing. I could see what's going on with the with the police and shit.
Did the officer give you an explanation as to why he was treating you in such a manner?
Yeah, I said, hey, what's going on? He said, we have witnesses saying that you were part of their entourage.
Okay. And at that point, when you're prone and looking at what's going on at the BMW, what do you do?
I see that they were kind of like struggling with the door. They get the door open, and then they pull Tupac out of the car.
And were you able to observe Mr. Shakur?
Not really. I saw the movement, but I didn't see what happened after he got out the car.
All right. So what happened?
Well, let me ask you this. Once you actually took over the job, did you learn whether or not the defendant was being compensated for his role in participating in this documentary?
I was made aware that he was being paid, yes.
And ultimately, at the end of the day, who's the person who finally provided him the money?
I was not in charge of the money per se. Somebody else was cutting checks. There was some, there's usually a protocol for that, and so I don't remember exactly who it was. I know that I at one point actually handed him a check.
That was my question.
Yes, yeah.
You're the one.
Somebody gave it to me, and I made that handoff.
I know it's been some years now. Can you give us an approximate amount of money Mr. Davis was compensated for his participation?
Don't remember the exact amount at all, but anywhere from $10,000 to $20,000, I would imagine.
And for that compensation, did you conduct interviews on camera with Mr. Davis?
Yes.
And how many formal interviews did you conduct with Mr. Davis?
We did 2 interviews in the summer of 2017. I believe that they were maybe weeks apart from each other, and they were probably around 2 hours and change each.
And there would have been a camera rolling for the interview. Well, let's talk about the setup. Describe for me how you had this set up for the interviews.
We maybe did, 30, 35 interviews for the entire series. We're filling up 6 hours of material for broadcast. So we did upwards of 30 interviews, and we mostly did them in a studio that the production company E1 had in the building. And we asked Mr. Davis to come to our building. We set up 2 cameras, and he basically sat across from me, and I asked questions.
Did you have anybody did you have a subject matter expert as well that you were able to communicate with during the interview?
So yes, the aforementioned Mike Dorsey was there during the interview. He wasn't in the room; he was in a separate room, and I had him in my ear. So he would sometimes, we would communicate. I would sometimes text while the interview was happening, just to corroborate certain things that Mr. Davis was saying.
And Mr. Dorsey, did he have the ability to hear what was going on inside the room?
Yes. Yeah. He had his own little speaker setup.
And did you subsequently learn that he had his own recordings of your interviews that were audio only?
Yes.
At some point, you wind up making this documentary. Is that fair?
Yeah.
Now, to promote this documentary, let me ask you this. Do you know what a sizzle reel is?
Correct. Yes.
What is a sizzle reel?
Well, a sizzle reel is traditionally used we put together like a little trailer of sorts with existing materials about whatever the subject matter is. And that sizzle reel is used to entice buyers to essentially pay for the production of the series or whatever it may be, documentary, one-off. So in this case, there was a sizzle reel made.
And did that sizzle reel get made prior to your involvement?
I believe so, yes.
And you, obviously, once you became involved, did you wind up using some of that sizzle reel to kind of promote each episode of the Death Row?
I don't remember that we did that. It was only used for it was used by the producers to drum up interest in the series.
Last night, did you meet with me?
I did.
And did you watch the sizzle reel?
Yes.
Judge, I have the sizzle reel marked as State Proposed Exhibit 120. I would offer it at this point.
Any objection, Mr. Smith?
No objection, Your Honor.
It'll be admitted.
You can switch it on to me.
I'm Duane Keith Davis. I was a company kingpin drug dealer. I'm the only one alive that really can tell you the story about the Tupac killer. People have been pursuing me for 20 years. Newspapers, magazines. I'm coming out now to tell the story because I got cancer. I got nothing else to lose. All I care about now is the truth. This story starts in the streets of Compton, all the way to the streets of Las Vegas, where Tupac was killed that night. All the people that was in Vegas that weekend, it's like a curse. Mostly everybody is dead or got life in prison. It was a crazy night, and I was a witness to everything that happened. And it will surprise you the truth I got to tell you.
One of the lights, yeah.
Okay. So you're headed west on Flamingo.
Yeah, that way.
Okay. Okay.
And we had the light on Las Vegas and Flamingo. And he Tupac hanging out the window. Hey! And all the girls was going crazy on that corner. Shit, that was motherfuckers right there.
Mm-hmm.
And hooked the U-turn, went on the side, passed by all the cars.
Okay. This right here is Cobalt, and this is Flamingo, okay?
Yeah.
This Maryland Parkway is down here. The boulevard is right here,
Yeah.
okay? So you drive all the way up, you see Suge hanging out the window.
See Tupac hanging out the window.
I mean, sorry, Tupac, yeah, Suge wouldn't be able to do it. Tupac's hanging out the, which side?
Passenger side.
Okay, did you see who's driving at that point?
Yeah.
Who's
For
driving?
sure.
Okay, anybody else in that car?
No, it was just them two.
What kind of car was it?
750 BMW.
Okay. Are there other vehicles in line with them?
Yeah, a whole lot.
A whole bunch? You remember the vehicle right behind it, or no, do you?
A black jet or an SS Impala.
Okay.
Then there was another BMW wagon. He was on the other side. So it was about 18 cars.
Okay. All right, so you come down. There's a turn lane to go this way, and there's actually 3 travel lanes, and then there's a lane to go this way.
What street is this?
This is Cobalt, this is Flamingo.
Okay,
The boulevard is right here,
Las Vegas, yeah, we came this way,
right?
made the U-turn.
Okay. And you're now behind the entourage.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then we pulled up on the gutter lane.
Okay.
Pulled up on the side of it.
Okay. Were you in the gutter lane, or were you?
He was on this lane, the right-hand turn lane, right here.
Okay. And you're in the white Cadillac. Who's in the white Cadillac?
E.T., Lando, and Drake.
Okay. Let's start with you. What seat are you in?
I'm in the passenger seat.
Well, which passenger seat?
Front or back?
Front.
Front passenger seat. Who's driving?
T-Brown.
Who's behind T. Brown?
Big Drake.
And I guess Orlando would be behind you.
Yeah.
Okay. And you drive up on the gutter side, and the BMW, the black BMW with Suge and Tupac, are in a travel lane?
Yeah, they're in the second lane.
In the second lane?
Yeah, in the middle lane right here.
Okay. And you said there was another BMW?
Yeah, like a BMW wagon on this side of them.
Okay.
Then I think a bed, SS Impala, all kind of them. It looked like it was all black cars.
Okay. And so you pull up alongside. Is there any discussion at this point?
No.
Okay. What happened when you pulled up alongside?
Shooting.
No, you're not being clear. He asked you, you said got to shooting. What do you mean got to shooting?
Who got to shoot?
Lando. Dre went shoot, so Lando said, give me your eye shoot.
Okay.
And he got
So
to shoot.
Orlando leaned all the way over from the rear passenger side, and did he get out of the car?
No.
And shot across Dre.
Yeah.
Did he lean all the way across and get his arm out?
Yeah. You know, he Lando tall and very tall.
Right.
The long little arm. The buzzing, made the right.
Okay. This is where I want to get
Just slow down.
details. So he leans across. You're right next to the BMW. Do you remember if the BMW had its window up or down?
He was up.
It was up. He's shooting into what part of the car?
Driver's side. I mean, the passenger side.
Okay. Is it a 2-door or 4-door vehicle? Do you remember?
It was a 4-door.
The 4-door? How many times did Orlando fire? Approximately.
Maybe about 5 or 6.
5 or 6 times?
Yeah.
Did he empty the gun? Do you know what kind of gun was it? Was it a revolver or was it a semi-automatic?
Semi-automatic.
Do you know what kind of gun it was?
Yeah, from the newspaper reports.
No, he's telling me
40 Glock.
Okay, he's telling you what you.
A 40 Glock.
40 Glock. Okay. What color was it? Silver, black?
Black.
Black. When he finished firing that 40 Glock, did the slide stay back? Was it empty?
It
It wasn't empty. Okay. And you think 5 or 6 rounds?
Yeah.
How fast did it take him to fire 5 or 6 rounds?
That was pretty fast. Well, maybe about 3-4 seconds.
Okay. Were you watching the BMW when this occurred?
Yeah.
What did you see?
I seen the bullet like going shook head. I seen the boy jumping up and down, trying to get in the back seat.
The boy being
Tupac.
okay. And you actually saw something hit Suge in the head?
You think you saw something hit his head?
Yeah, I thought he was dead.
Okay. What part of the, you indicated the top of the head?
Yeah, because he had been over like this.
Trying to get into the back also, or leaning towards the back?
Like, no.
Oh, into the passenger side.
Yeah.
Okay, I got you. And then you saw Tupac bouncing around. Did Tupac try to do anything?
No, he was trying to get in the back seat, trying to duck, trying to hide.
Okay. And you're pretty sure he was hit?
No, I thought just the boy was hit.
Just Suge?
Yeah.
Okay.
3 left.
Okay, you get the Buick, which you drive over to Monte Carlo.
Yeah.
You get the Cadillac.
Yeah.
You get the van.
Yeah.
And you get the black Mercedes.
Mercedes stayed.
It stays at the MGM.
Yeah.
Okay. Who gets into the black Mercedes?
I had a guy in there. Had Chick Foxy Brown. That's it.
Foxy Brown from TV? Or the movies?
Foxy Brown, the rapper.
There's a rapper called Foxy Brown.
Yeah. Okay.
There's Foxy Brown, the movie that had Pam Grier.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is a young rapper.
Okay,
That's what
young
it
rapper.
was, though. Yeah.
Okay.
Young rapper.
All right. So there's the rapper, Zip, and you get into the Mercedes.
Yeah.
Okay. When you got in, what happens? Is anything said when you get in by anybody?
I can't recall what exact words were said.
Okay.
Yeah. But he gave me the gun.
Okay. Who gave you the gun?
That's it.
Okay. Where did he get the gun from? The glove compartment?
Some little secret compartment. Yeah.
Oh. Okay. What part of the vehicle was the secret compartment in?
It was like up under this thing here.
The armrest?
The center rest?
Center rest and this thing come up.
Okay. It's automated?
Yeah.
Mechanic? Okay. So the three of you are still in the vehicle at that time?
No, it was just me and him, yeah.
Okay. Where did the...
He asked her to step out.
Okay. This is before anything with the gun?
Yeah.
And she stepped out?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's just you and Zip. And he automates this thing, and there's a gun there.
Yeah.
Okay, and he gives that gun to you.
Yeah.
And what kind of gun is it?
The 40 Glock.
The 40 Glock.
40 Glock. Okay. I told you I'm going to ask stupid questions. I promise you I'm going to ask stupid questions. So he hands you the 40 caliber Glock. What does Zip say to you when he hands you this gun?
It's just like handle your business, I guess. You know?
Something of that
like
nature.
Yeah.
Okay. And what did you take that to mean?
They asked us, did we need some help? We like, no, we don't need no help. We want to get some liquor, chill, you know?
Sure.
Yeah.
What did you take? Do you need some help to mean?
Like, let's go get them.
Okay. Go get who?
The entourage.
The entourage. You talking about Suge Knight?
We're like, no, we don't need no help. We told the East Coast guys that needed. We want to get some liquor, and we just happened to run into their house.
Okay. But you took the gun?
Yeah, we took the gun.
Okay. You say we. What do you mean by that?
Our little group took the gun from him. I mean, I got the gun from him.
Okay. What vehicle do you get into?
I got into that Buick.
Okay. Do you still have the gun when you get into the Buick?
No.
Okay, that's where I'm going.
Yeah.
You get the gun from Zip. Then I gather you get out of the black Mercedes?
Yeah.
And what did you do then? Did you give the gun to somebody?
Yeah, I gave it to the Cadillac. I don't know who I specifically handed it to, but I gave it the gun to the Cadillac.
To who?
Huh?
To the cat? Somebody in the Cadillac, you saying?
Yeah.
The white Cadillac.
Yeah.
And the people in the white Cadillac are Orlando Anderson,
Yeah.
T. Brown,
And Big Dre.
and Big Dre. But you handed it to one of those three guys.
Yeah. And then the Big Dre to be exact.
Okay. So you handed it to DeAndre Smith.
Yeah.
Okay. Did you say anything to DeAndre when you handed him the gun?
No, I didn't say nothing to him. I just went, then we went and dropped the car off. And we,
If he hands me a gun, I'm going to say, what the fuck? Why are you handing me a gun?
Keith, you don't. Let's stop.
Yeah, okay, I got you.
Okay, stop. Keith, hold on. When he asks you a question, answer the question. Now, whatever he says don't mean nothing right now.
Right.
So just ask him a question. He's going to answer the question. What's the specific question you got for him?
Did you say anything to DeAndre, or anybody else in the car when you handed DeAndre the gun?
no, I didn't say nothing to him.
You just handed him the gun.
You handed it to him, or if you recall saying something, did you recall saying anything? Do you know?
I don't know. But I gave him the gun and he took it. And we went to drop Paul off at the thing. And we took up, went up to there and looked for liquor. Got the liquor.
Okay. I'm going to slow you down again, okay?
Okay.
So you drop off Paula, you leave the Buick
Yeah.
at the Monte Carlo.
Hold on.
Then you get in what vehicle?
That van.
You get in the van. Is there any discussion prior to going looking for liquor about the entourage?
He's asking specifically, did you tell anybody anything to do or anything related to that gun? So what do you recall?
The gun or the entourage?
Yeah. Like get them motherfuckers and we get ready to do whatever. Any of that kind of shit. Do you remember that?
No.
Okay.
Are there any other weapons?
Yeah, I think it was a 9.
Who had the 9?
I was in the van.
Okay.
I don't know who had that 9.
That's okay. Anybody? Anything else?
I said, when we went to the MGM, I mean, after we walked by the Coca-Cola place, I was in the middle of me, Dre, and what's his name was at that stoplight. I mean, at the crosswalk, and dude pulled up in that, they pulled up in the ambulance right next to us. I'm like, damn.
That was after he was shot.
Okay. No, I'm still.
Jumped to the after.
Yeah, I got you. Okay. I know this is difficult. I completely understand it.
Yeah.
What I'm looking for specifically is Orlando or anybody else say anything about looking for the entourage
No, we just got lucky. You know?
You talking about before?
before anything happens.
Yeah. Meaning, was y'all looking for them, or did you happen to bump into them? That's what he's really
We
asking.
happened to bump into him.
Okay. But you weren't looking for them.
Did you guys go to the club or anything looking for him?
Yeah, we went to the club.
Which club?
626.
That was after the incident?
Just before the incident.
Yeah. So, today, the time.
Okay. So you leave. Let's start. Okay. You leave the MGM. You drop Paula off at the Monte Carlo, and you leave the Buick there.
Yeah.
Okay. Now this is before you go get liquor.
Yeah.
Did you go to the 662 club from Monte Carlo?
Yeah.
What does 662 mean?
I think blood on the area. Mob, whatever.
Mob?
Yeah.
If you dial a phone,
Yeah.
comes out as mob? Okay.
With your bloods.
With your blood. Yeah. After that, we just went to the store and got the liquor, and we happened to run into the.
Okay.
Okay, he'll go back to that.
Yeah. When you went to the 662 club, did you see anything? Did you go inside?
No.
Okay. Did you see anything? What were you looking for at the 662 club?
We were sitting there, was they there?
Who?
The mob. The mob dudes, Death Row.
Death Row. Meaning who?
The dudes that beat up Rondo.
Okay. Specifically, who?
Should.
Suge Knight and
Should.
Suge. You wanted to show it? Okay. Understood. All right, so you go to the 662 Club, Suge's not there.
No.
Or that you can see, he's not there.
No.
Did you send anybody inside to look for Suge?
No.
No. You just went up and saw that his vehicles weren't there, or did you ask if he was there?
How did you determine he was not there?
There you go.
Their vehicles weren't there.
Their vehicles were not there. Okay. So, were you going to wait at the 662 Club for Suge to show up?
No. That would be too dangerous.
Okay.
So you said you didn't know that Orlando was going to shoot him, but he wasn't a planned shooter.
No.
There was no plan at that
So
time.
at all, period.
It was a lucky coincidence.
That we ran into him.
Okay.
It just happened, what you're saying.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I don't know how to word this.
You're doing a good job.
Okay, so he does the shooting, you turn, the girls start to follow you, Orlando puts another round off, the girls decide not to follow you,
Yeah.
and then you drive away and go to the carriage house. Is there any conversation before he splits from you, Orlando? Before he leaves you? He doesn't tell you at that time, I'm going to go...
He told us after we got there.
Okay.
And I was like, man, we ran right into him at the park. I mean, that was a trip because they was right here and we was at the crosswalk in the middle of Las Vegas Boulevard. Like, damn.
When you were walking back?
Yeah, when we was walking back, the ambulance and Suge and Tupac to the back of the ambulance. Right by us. Like, we could have said hi.
Did Suge see you?
I don't know.
Okay.
Did he see you? Did he know it was you that was in the car when they did the shooting?
I mean, he could have seen you.
You could have seen me, yeah.
You think he might have, it could be possible.
Yeah.
What I'm asking is, did you guys make eye contact? Did you and Suge make eye contact?
You made eye contact with him?
It looked like...
Okay, and this is when you're walking?
No, this was...
During the shooting?
Yeah.
You could have made eye contact with him.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So during the shooting, you made eye contact with Suge?
It looked like... I see... It looked like you seen it.
You believe that?
Yeah, I believe that.
Okay. All right.
That's why he said, y'all had the right motherfucker.
Say it again.
Remember he said on that interview, y'all had the right motherfucker, y'all had your man. You remember him saying that?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah.
And what do you think he was referring to?
To Orlando?
Yeah, Orlando.
Okay.
You remember he said that when he was at his office? Y'all had your man. And he did it all in that book interview, all that shit. Like this motherfucker. Snitcher. You know?
That's strange that he did that.
Yeah.
You don't remember him saying that?
No, I remember something to the effect. Did you think he was going to
I thought he was, yeah.
press charges on you?
On who? Not
Orlando really kind of saved him.
Well, I mean, anybody. I mean, did you think Suge was going to tell the police?
No, you know better than answer that question. She wasn't going to tell him that. But answer the question.
I thought he was.
You really did?
Yeah, because he just had the music industry view of old.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? And like y'all, with the street people wasn't scared of him. You see now he gets beat up every week.
Yeah. So the police actually came and did some search warrants.
Yeah.
You remember that you were there for that?
I got away about 5 minutes before y'all came.
Okay. And they got into the houses on Burris,
Yeah.
as well as quite a few other places.
Yeah.
They actually took quite a few guns.
Yeah.
Yeah. They didn't get the right gun.
You know.
Do you have any idea now where that gun might have gone? Never heard anything about it. Or did I never say anything about it? Who went back and got the Cadillac?
T. Brown drove it on.
So T. Brown would have had the gun at some point?
Not that I can recall.
You didn't hear anything about that?
Nobody never discussed what a gun is. Never.
Okay.
Tell them why that happened, because what was your mindset?
What's that?
Why wouldn't you not discuss the gun?
I was trying to get as far away from Vegas as I possibly could.
It wasn't on your priority list.
I was trying to get the fuck up out of there.
When did you leave Las Vegas?
We left the next morning.
I'm sorry?
We left the next morning because we figured y'all would be looking for that Cadillac on the road.
Okay. So you left in the Buick?
Yeah.
With Pamela. Or Paula, I'm sorry.
Me, Paul, and Lane.
Oh, Lane drove back with you?
Yeah.
What did Lane say about the shooting to you?
He was just nervous all the way back. And he was like, man, because he went on to the doctor and got a
sling
at the same hospital.
In what hospital?
Where Tupac was?
Yeah, on Marlin Parkway.
Really?
Yeah.
The next day or the same night?
That same night, got a sling. Was on and everything.
While they were in the hospital?
Yeah.
Tupac was taken to a trauma center, not on Maryland Parkway. There is a hospital on Maryland Parkway.
Yeah.
And you think
that's where he got it? Yeah, got a sling and everything. He was fucked up. They fucked him up bad.
Okay. I'm looking for anything Orlando might have said about the shooting. When did you find out that
that day was hit?
Yeah, Tupac was hit. Shug was grazed.
Corey had came from the MGM and said, everybody talking about Tupac is shot.
What did Orlando feel about that?
What, did he say anything?
No.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, he didn't say nothing.
You didn't say anything?
Yeah, no. We was already scared of Corey because they were saying
they wasn't saying in front of Corey anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah, Jack. Smith Jack.
Yeah, we was kind of scared of him, so we didn't really mention nothing around him.
Okay.
But
now, go ahead.
He got wind.
Who got?
When Corey then he found out. Shit.
You lost me. Go ahead.
I said Corey, when he found out what happened and shit, he got to tell everybody.
Well, he found out what he thought happened because he wasn't there, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the van, we'll get back to that real quick, but the van, it didn't catch up to you guys at all? It wasn't even nowhere near the shooting at that time? They
didn't ever know we had did it.
None of those guys?
None of those guys.
So you didn't even tell them you did it? How about when you get back to Compton? Did you tell everybody that?
I didn't tell nobody.
Okay, he asked you two questions. It's not on purpose. Okay, but just listen carefully to his question. His first question was...
Did I tell anybody?
Yes.
Never.
Okay.
First time I even mentioned it to anybody was when I told him. That was my deeper secret.
Your lawyer didn't even know, right?
I understand.
Keith, your lawyer didn't even know, right?
Okay. Okay. All right. All right. I'm at this point. What I'd like to do is ask you about the rumors I've heard over the years
about him.
About him.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
That's where I'm going to go.
Okay.
Okay.
Now we need to take a break for a second so I can explain something to him. Because not to tell you, I don't have a problem with that. But Keith has a way of boasting. Keith, I can do this in front of him. Just answer the questions.
Okay.
You know, don't get into all that.
All right.
Okay. Now go and ask whatever you want.
Puffy Combs. Does he play a role in this thing?
Answer the question directly. Tell him what you think.
Did he play a role in
You
this?
don't hesitate, just tell him.
Yeah, I think he did.
Okay. I heard he was. The rumor I heard was he was directly involved. Going back to money. Was he involved money-wise in this?
We didn't get paid.
Okay, you didn't get paid. Do you believe you paid somebody? Did somebody get paid for this?
To your knowledge.
To my knowledge.
What do you believe?
Didn't happen. We didn't get no money in California.
Okay.
You think you get
As
somebody
far-
at some other point? Someone else or what?
Yeah.
Then answer the question. I'm saying, tell them what you think.
Do you think somebody got paid?
Yeah. Zip.
Zip got paid.
That's what we think, yeah. That's what the word on the street is.
You think Zip set it up and Zip got paid?
Yeah.
Okay. That's what he's telling you.
No shit. Zip. You think Zip got paid?
Yeah.
That was
About
the
how-
word on the street.
Well, how much money do you think Zip got paid?
I don't know.
Nothing. You have no idea.
But Zip's living pretty good right now, huh?
Yeah.
So it's Puffy.
What's his name told me, what's his name?
D-Mac?
T-Mac.
Who's D-Mac?
Darius Rogers.
Oh, okay. Okay. All right. What did D-Mac tell you?
He said, they fell out behind that Puff and Zip did because he got paid. And he felt, we pulled that Biggie's back out here when he got killed. So they fell out, they ain't been speaking or nothing. So yeah, he said, your boy got the money, I heard. I said, is that right?
Okay. Have you ever had personal contact with Puffy?
Since that happened?
No. Anytime.
Oh, God. Yeah,
A whole long time.
Oh, you know Puffy.
Yeah.
Okay.
He knows him.
And he knows you.
Yeah.
So you had contact with him prior to the events in Las Vegas?
Yeah.
Okay. Did Puff ever indicate to you?
Keith, let me just not, if you don't mind me butting in.
No. Go ahead.
Keith, explain to him your relationship with Puff and Zip, and, did Puffy take an interest in having Suge or anybody killed over there? Okay.
Okay, let's go right to the point.
Yeah, okay. Explain that to him.
Yeah, he was kind of scared of the guy. And we was at a hotel, and he was like, man, I'll give anything for that dude here.
Who are we talking about saying that?
He said that in front of our whole...
Which one, Puffy or Zip said it? Yeah,
Puff
Puffy
said
was talking about... Okay, go on.
I would do anything
For that boy's head.
for that boy's head. Referring to who?
Sure.
Should. Okay. Why? Because he was afraid of him?
Yeah. He was real scared of that guy.
Okay.
And, it was like 45 of us in the room, and he said that shit
For everybody.
in front of everybody.
Did he ever offer anything?
Or was he implying that he'd pay to have it done?
Yeah.
He implied it or he said it?
He said,
What did he say?
oh shit, I'll give anything for that dude head.
I mean, specific dollar.
That's how they talk, but what he's saying is, and then he's saying, did he kind of throw out a number, I'll give $1 million, I'll give what? Did he say something like that?
He was just like, he'd give anything, so motherfucker, million, too, that means big to some little gangbangers on the streets, like,
Okay.
yeah, we'd turn that, ooh.
But he never had, Puff, as far as you know, never said, I'll give you a specific dollar amount.
He didn't say no specific dollar amount, but he wanted the man's head gone.
Okay.